Start with the two identical U-shaped metal pieces linked together. Position them so the open ends are facing upward. Tilt the piece in your right hand horizontally. Gently slide its bottom curve into the middle gap of the left piece. As the right piece sits within the center of the left one, rotate it 90 degrees so that the bars are perpendicular to each other. Locate the small opening at the end of one of the U-prongs. Maneuver the curved section of the second piece through this narrow gap. They should now be completely unlinked. With a slight wiggle, place both pieces side by side on the table to confirm the puzzle is solved. They should now be completely unlinked. Place both pieces side by side on the table to confirm the puzzle is solved.
This is a classic American intelligence test puzzle. The goal is simple. You must find a way to fit this extra small triangle piece into the existing puzzle board. First, let's take all the pieces out. We need to experiment with different arrangements to create enough space for that one tiny extra piece. Start by testing different combinations. As you can see, the left side of the puzzle comes together quite quickly using this new arrangement. Now, we're left with 3 pieces for the right side. This part requires a bit more patience and strategic thinking. Try placing the larger pieces first, then use different permutations to see which configuration allows for the most efficient use of space. After a few attempts, I finally found the correct way to assemble the right side. Once you find the right path, the pieces fall into place fast. By rearranging the larger blocks this way, a small void is created.
Ever feel like you've got all the right pieces, but they just won't fit? Welcome to the impossible wooden packing puzzle. At first glance, it looks like a simple grid. You start sliding the blocks in, thinking you've got plenty of room. 1, 2, 3, easy, right? But watch what happens as we get to the final few. The box looks full, yet we still have 2 massive blocks left on the table. This is where most people give up. The secret isn't just about filling the space, it's about rethinking the space. Notice how I'm pulling them all back out? We need a complete reset. To solve this, we have to utilize the hidden corners. By placing the blocks in a staggered diagonal pattern, we create a void in the center that wasn't there before. Look at that! By shifting the orientation, the final pieces slide in perfectly under the glass. No force, just logic. Think you could solve this on your first try? Let me